ऐ मेरे प्यारे फेसबुक वासियों, how are you guys? I'm back. Alright, I'm back here today talking about depression and how it affects our weight. So, let me know if you have any queries related to that, and I'll be happy to answer you. I'll be happy to help you out. Hi. Hey. Hello. So I'm just waiting for a few minutes so that Facebook knocks everybody's mobile phones and laptops and tells them I'm alive and live on Facebook. So we can talk about how depression has a very bad effect on your weight. Hi. Hello. So I'm reading all the highs and the hellos. Please solve my depression problem. I'm suffering from major depression. Okay. See, first of all, when you are suffering from depression or mood swings, you are not alone. All of us have either suffered from depression or we will be having mood swings at some stage of our life. So it's a part and parcel of life. We have to first accept it. It's always wise to understand the early signs of depression when you don't feel like, see, it's a different story if you're an introvert person, but if you don't like mixing with people, or if you want to cut off, or so basically you know you are not really happy with yourself for some random reason. So these are the basic and initial signs of depression, mood swings. प्लीज़ हिंदी में बोलिए. आई एम रियली सॉरी, मुझे हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बोलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग जो मुझे देखते हैं वो हिंदी कम समझते हैं, इंग्लिश समझते हैं. पर अगर आप हिंदी में सुनना चाहते हैं मेरी बातें तो मैं यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस डालती हूँ जो हिंदी में ही होते हैं, और मैं हिंदी में सिर्फ हिंदी बोल के लाइव करूँगी, आई प्रॉमिस. बट सिंस मैंने आज का टॉपिक इंग्लिश में अनाउंस किया हुआ है, इंग्लिश लोग ज़्यादा समझते हैं, ऐसा मैं सोचती हूँ, मैं गलत भी हो सकती हूँ, तो इसलिए आज का सेशन इंग्लिश में होगा, पर मैं बीच में हिंदी डाल दूँगी, ठीक है. Diet to follow during depression. Now I'll tell you something. See, be it not only for your weight loss, but if you are active, if you eat right, it really helps you even getting out of depression. I don't know why I'm sweating like a pig right now. I'm sorry. Every morning 30 minutes walk is enough. Lose belly fat. Yes, it is. But अगर आपको belly fat के बारे में जानना है, then please go to youtube.com/sapnavyys, where I have talked in detail about how to reduce belly fat. But in today's session, I want to talk more about how to deal with depression and how depression either makes you gain weight or makes you lose weight. So basically, how depression affects your appetite. So I'm going to talk about that. So if you have any queries related to that, I'll be really happy to help you out. Especially before exam, I used to get tension and रात को नींद नहीं आती है. कोई किसी भी एग्जाम के पहले. See, it's okay to feel anxious. I have also faced the same anxieties that you might be going through. So it's totally okay. But you should understand one thing, that अभी जब मैं देखती हूँ अपने एग्जाम्स को, तो I was never a topper or never a 3-pointer in MBA. But it's okay. Life में रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्स देने के लिए आपको प्रिपेयर होना है. किसी और को इतने मार्क्स आए, आपको इतने आएंगे तो ही आप सफल होगे जीवन में, ऐसा नहीं है. यू जस्ट गिव योर बेस्ट एंड दैट्स इट. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड यू माइट फील एंशियस, बट इफ यू स्टडी थ्रू आउट द ईयर, then you might not feel that anxiety, and it's okay. Whatever marks you get, it's okay. I work 2 shifts and I don't get proper diet. What to do? Well, you have to maintain your diet even if you work in shifts, because it's very important to eat right and exercise. Otherwise, nothing will work unless you eat right. Okay, where are you from? And I can't answer all the irrelevant questions, but I love to answer anything related to depression. Okay, find out that we are going through depression. And because of that, okay, how to know? Shruti has asked me how to know. Okay, basically today's session is thanks to Miss Bharti Chanchlani. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. She asked me yesterday that how depression affects our appetite and how it makes us gain weight. So it's thanks to her that this topic I've picked up. Okay, now answering, somebody asked me that how to know that we are suffering from depression, and it's because of depression that you are gaining weight or losing weight. Now, number one, when you are not your usual self, that is when you don't feel like going out, mixing with people, when you constantly feel the urge of comparing yourself to the person, you know, that uski sari meri sari se safed kaise, in all the silliest possible things of your life. If you feel like comparing yourself at times, if you feel that you are not enough at times, all these are early signs of depression. But not always you will feel this way. See, I understand we have all these struggles to go through, we have a lot of mood swings, but if you're eating right, exercising regularly, following a really healthy lifestyle, and still you're not reducing weight, chances are that you have a mild depression, not a bipolar or some serious. See, some people have seasonal depression. You might feel little sad, little depressed in winter. How to know if you're suffering from depression? I think I answered the same thing right now, that how do you know? If you're not your usual self, let me again repeat it in a nutshell. If you're not feeling your usual self, that is, you are usually very energetic, very positive, but sometimes you're in your own cocoon where you don't want to really come out, really talk about your feelings. If you're heartbroken, that's when you might be having a little low phase in life. So not a severe depression, but a little low phase. And usually when you feel like eating the wrong food, usually when you feel like not following a disciplined lifestyle, that's when your body wants to stay on track, but your mind is constantly pulling you back. That's when you're not really on the right track. I don't gain weight, but I still feel I can't come out as I need acceptance. Please answer me how to deal with it. See, first of all, I'll tell you something. I'll tell you how whenever I feel low, so basically these are the tips which I have followed, and these are the things that I usually do when I feel a little low. See, number one, you should be very confident about whatever your feelings are, whatever the way you want to behave, because see, we live in a society where everyone has their own thoughts. Everyone wants to finger point somebody else. Recent example, just look at this poor Justin Bieber. He came to India, and all of us are so busy mimicking him, calling him a her, and making fun of him. But do we really know that we are making fun out here, and he has made the money and he's back in his bindas life? So it's the same way. You don't have to take everything to heart. Let everyone do the talking. You follow your heart, because someday you will really succeed, and the people who used to make fun of you or who used to think that you are not on the right track will really have to shut up. Till that time, yes, it is a struggle, but give your best and move forward. Have confidence in yourself, because that's what counts. If you don't feel confident enough, you will always feel sad. And always understand one thing: when you feel sad, when you feel low, when you feel like getting angry on someone, fighting with someone, and there are times when we eat the wrong food just because we feel low. Always remember something, that by poisoning yourself, you are not killing the other person. This time too shall pass, so keep faith. I know it's very difficult, but okay, when I feel low, I used to eat a lot, and just recently when I feel a little depressed, I would eat. No matter how much no matter how much sane you are, when you're not feeling happy, the brain doesn't really work. But that time you have to do meditation, swimming, whatever makes you one with your own self. When you're one with the water, you don't really think of anything else, right? When you do weight training, you don't think of other things. So these are my tips which I follow. I hope it helps. Good work for all Indian people. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, what should one do in the evening? What can we do for getting mental peace? Is bathing daily compulsory for good mood? I don't understand if bathing daily is good for your good mood or not, but it is good for the people around you. So please take a shower every single day, not only for your own mood, but for the sake of people around you. So please take a shower. What sort of question was that? Is that thing when people go into depression? Yes, but hota kya pata hai? We earlier, like my grandparents and all, like your grandparents, they used to stay in a joint family. So होता क्या है, रात को everybody is talking their heart out. Like even today, whenever I get a chance, or every night I talk with my parents, either on WhatsApp video call or when I'm with them, obviously. But if I'm not in India, then obviously WhatsApp. If I'm in India, I meet them every single night, especially I sit with them for an hour, talk about all the silliest stuff that I've been doing and listen to them. So even without sharing your real problems, when you talk to your loved ones, you know they are not going to really guide you in a wrong way. You trust them. So basically when you open up, you really feel good about yourself. So I would suggest that have some relations, obviously you have, but open up. But open up to the right people, because there are people in this world, when you open up, when you share your problems, when you talk your heart out, they will like sit with a popcorn tub and enjoy your movie, enjoy you getting sad, enjoy you getting depressed. So open up to the right people and always talk about your feelings to either your parents, your spouse, or whatever, so you feel good about yourself. This is what I do. Do you believe in Ayurveda? I do, but it should be genuine. So if you're talking about those chamatkarik jadi booties, I don't believe in them. But if you talk about the benefits from the right use or the genuine things, yes, I do. But not the fuzzy Ayurveda. I eat too much, still I'm too thin. Well, you might be having a good metabolism, so congratulations. But you have to eat more protein, go to the gym, lift heavy weights, and that way you will have more muscles. But today I'm not talking about that. You're looking like Filipino. Have you done lip job? No, I'm so scared of needles. Kya lip job karoge? This is my natural, by birth. How can you talk so much? Well, girls can talk even to themselves looking in the mirror, so it's okay. I loved your transformation. All the best. Happiness comes when I see you live. Hey, thank you. My mind is just like rock. I could think about my daily life, how to preserve myself. As in, preserve. I didn't get your question. I'm sorry. Please, thoda vistrit. Today also I can't get your reply, but you can get my reply. Every time doing gym for 2 weeks continuously, feel weak and have to take a break from the gym. Can you please suggest me what should I do? I'm a vegetarian. Okay, see, if you are going to the gym for 2-3 weeks and then you stop, if you have never worked out and if you go to the gym, that is if you do strength training, your body will require a few days to get used to, because, can I use a Gujarati term? Haramna hadka. Sorry, I didn't get a Hindi word, but you got it, right? So when you don't really work, your haddis are little Superman. I'm not getting the word. Chale, chuck it. So the point is that you start working out and it will take a little while for your body to get used to. So don't stop. Eat right protein, exercise, do self massage, do stretching. तो आपको 2 week के बाद भी you will not feel sore or you will not feel tired. How to push oneself out of depression? I have a hard time every time getting out of bed. That is when you are not feeling happy, right? I understand. You don't want to feel, you don't want to go out, you don't want to feel happy. I understand. But see, take one step at a time. Don't make yourself so much overwhelmed that I have to do so many things, I want to be happy, I have no friends, but take one little step at a time. Just simple, getting a haircut or some little positive things in your life will add up and you will slowly and gradually come out of depression. Trust me. Trust me. I'm very lazy. What to do? See, first of all, great news. You know you're lazy, right? So that's a good thing to begin with. When you know you're lazy, you can take small steps to improve or to make yourself feel better. The first thing you should do is have small routine goals that, okay, today I'll finish this. So that way, keep rewarding yourself. Once you feel, it's like a muscle. The more you do, the better you will become at it. Willpower. Haramna hadka, you did choose the right word though. तो फिर उन्नी जोशी, yeah. How did you overcome the period of losing weight or believing you'll definitely lose weight? See, Shruti, to be very honest, when I started reducing weight, I didn't start with any goal like I have to reduce 33 kg. I think if I would have started with this goal that acha I have to reduce 33 kg, then I might not have achieved it, because at that time when I lost weight, there were no references, frankly. Abhi, there are so many people, and thanks to social media, you see so many people reducing weight, you feel so many people having six packs, you have so many people with great muscle mass, so you feel motivated that if they do it, if they can do it, even I can do it. But when I started, there was no such role models before me. I mean, obviously it's not that I am a miracle, there are hundreds and thousands of people who lost weight before me, but there were no striking example on social media, because social media in India was really new at that time. So I struggled my own way, as in, first I didn't begin with assuming that I will reduce 33 kg. It just happened slowly and gradually. But once I lost weight, I realized that okay, this is how I should be looking, this is how it should be. So that's why I have not faced it. I mean, I had no expectations with myself, so whatever I am is beyond my expectation. Should I take supplements so that I don't feel weak? No, you should not be taking supplements, as in there are no miracle pills. But yes, if you have whey, right after your workout, it will help you build more muscles. And if you are a non-vegetarian, and if you eat proper non-vegetarian meal like in lunch, in dinner, in breakfast, then you're sorted. Okay, nice video. Hey, thank you. Hi Sapna, very glad to see you. Please give me some suggestion. Why should my body swells whenever I do yoga? So every time I discontinue. Okay, if you feel sore when you are performing exercises, little bit of soreness is okay, because since you have not worked out, or since sorry, I'm adjusting my camera. Okay, it's little bit of soreness is okay. But if you feel, see, there are certain things that you can do. You can do self massage. You should be having enough protein. You should be doing stretching, because when your muscles are not stretched enough, when you don't perform after your exercise proper stretching, your muscles tend to sore. So do that, and you will not feel, the next day you will feel energetic to go to the gym again. And don't stop going to the gym. Most people, what they do is, in the initial phase, they're so enthusiastic, so energetic that they lift a lot of heavy weight. Or after, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they'll come, and Friday say they are not there in the gym. Don't do that. Be regular. So cute. Thank you. I feel sleepy all the time. That is because you might not be sleeping enough in the night. So if you take 8 hours of sleep in the night, and then the next day you won't feel a little sleepy, I'm sure. The way you're talking is really amazing. Yeah, thank you so much. The best way to reduce fat is natural. As in, naturally? You should reduce fat only naturally. You should not be taking supplements or fat burners. Glad to see you again. Kindly help me to learn some muscle building. Okay, muscle building exercises I'll share in my videos. Works? Is no carb effective for weight loss? You have to have carbs. Carbs are like petrol in a car. Unless you have enough carbs, your body will not function. And if you don't eat carbs, your body cannot really absorb well the fat and the protein that you are eating. So don't have simple carbs like chocolates, ice creams and all, but you have to have complex carbohydrates like brown rice. But yes, you have to have carbs. Don't avoid anything. Like, you should be avoiding junk though. When I say don't avoid anything, uska matlab ye nahi that I give you license to eat all the junk. I go to gym every day cause Monday motivation, and then okay. So Mr. KP Patel, so many people can relate to you. People go to the gym on a Monday. I see so many people on a Monday. Then Tuesday less people, and then Wednesday it's little less, and then Thursday ko party mood on. So like by the time Sunday comes, everybody is enjoying the party. I don't know on which planet, but yeah. So it's okay. You might feel a little low, as in you might not feel motivated, but if you plan it, as in it should be a part of your routine, it should be a part of your schedule. And when you have a fixed time for exercise, you don't really need to gather motivation every single day. You will be motivated. What's your WhatsApp number? Like, really? Will that help you getting out of depression? Should we eat roti? Yes, you should be eating roti. Should we have more protein for weight loss? More protein का चक्कर ये है that for example if your body weight is say 60 kg, उसके हिसाब से you should be having 60 grams of protein every single day. यानी every single day you have to have protein. Now for weight loss, so basically even if you are not working out, इतना protein तो आपको लेना ही है. But if you are working out, then you can have up to 2 grams of protein. Like if you are working out really hard. So what happens when you have enough protein? You build more muscles, because obviously when you're working out, your muscle break down. But when you have enough protein, your muscles rebuild faster. So you have more muscles, you boost your BMR, you have good skin, good hair, even your nature, your mood. You also come out of depression if you have enough protein in a way, because when you have a better mood, you feel like going out, working out. So have enough protein. Bro, I don't need your WhatsApp number, dude. How can I reduce my weight by kya playing? Playing guitar? Playing what? Ma'am, I'm going to gym since 3 months and following a balanced diet, but I don't see a proper weight loss. Now, if you are really stuck at a particular weight because you're not, I mean, you might be doing, either you might be eating the same, as in having the same calories every single day, or you might be doing the same exercises over and over again. And at times what happens is that we think that we are calorie restricted, that is, we are in our calorie limit. But hota kya hai? That you might, see it's summer, so you might be drinking a cold drink, or ice cream, or even a coffee with sugar laden coffee. So hota kya hai? You tend to drink a lot of liquid calories and you don't count it. So you have to find out where you're going wrong. If you're stuck at a particular weight, either you're not doing enough exercise, say cardio and strength training, or you're not eating right, as in you're eating more calories even in form of liquid calories. So find it out. And if you want to know more about it, I've already shared a video where I've talked about how to overcome the weight loss plateau. Please go and watch, what's my channel name? Yeah, youtube.com/Sapna Vyas, that is youtube.com/SAPNAVYAS. I've shared a detailed video about it, that how to, if you're stuck, how to jump over it. Hello, how are you? How to remove stretch marks. I have made a video of how to remove stretch marks as well, so please go check it out. But today I'm talking about depression. So if you have any queries about weight loss or weight gain and that is related to depression, please let me know. Ma'am, are you reading my comments from Mars? No, from Venus. Because men are from Mars and women are from Venus. How lame. I'm not able to eat when I'm unhappy. What to do? Yeah, I understand. There are some people who hog literally when they are sad, and then there are some people who like give up on sansar ko chhod diya when they feel sad. And the other way around, I eat like there's no looking back, like there's no tomorrow. I eat like that. But yeah, when you don't feel like eating when you're sad, I suggest that you talk your heart out first, because see, it's not, have you noticed this, that you know, when we visit some people's place, their house, what they do, वो जो घर का कचरा होता है, they put it behind the curtains, और जो unfolded clothes होते हैं वो कहीं छुपा देते हैं. तो feelings का भी ऐसा करते हैं लोग. Same thing, that when they go out, they bundle up their feelings somewhere and they hide it in their brain, in their heart. Don't do that. If you're feeling sad, find the right person to talk with, open up, speak out. That okay, I'm feeling this, because unless and until you get your feelings really solved, you know, like you're not thinking about it, you can't really come out of depression or feeling sad. So you think you're forgotten, you think you have put the kachra in some place of your heart or your mind, but that is still there, and whether you want it or not, it will pop up sometime. So I really would appreciate and motivate you to go and talk your heart out to somebody who you trust, because it's very important to share things. पहले होता था ये that we always had our grandparents or someone to talk with. Now we live in nuclear families, people like me who stay alone all the time. So who do you talk with then? So you always have to find out people who you can confide in or who you can trust, and it's always wise to share your feelings. Okay, if you don't get sleep in the night instantly, what to do? You can practice, meditation before going to bed. You can have warm cup of milk. It will help you. For me, I used to listen to, soothing music, prayer songs. It really helps me cool down. Where do you find this Dalmatian top? Now, how does that matter and how is it related to depression? But good attempt. You're from Russia, hi. Nice talking, thank you. If I'm on diet, should I drink warm water or cold water? Now there are two theories. First, Ayurveda says you should always have warm water, it's good for you, and you should not be having water during your meals. But modern science says that it's okay to have cold water. Whether you should have cold water or hot water is very subjective, it's personal. For me, I can't have warm water, as in I try to, but I survive on cold water. I don't like having warm water, so it's a personal choice. But you should have more water, that is the bottom line. Best sleep span in hours. You should be sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours at least, because sleeping makes you feel energetic, it repairs your muscles, it sorts out your tensions and problems in a way, and it makes you feel better, look good, look younger, so sleep well. Sometimes I feel worried without any reason. Is it due to depression? Now see, all of us, depression may be too much to say if you're having mood swings, because when we all feel low, it's completely okay. In a day, how many times you feel euphoric and you feel low? So it's not always bipolar depression. We all feel, because we are human, we have feelings. किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया for some time, so then half an hour, 45 minutes, you are little okayish. So it's okay to feel low. It's not depression. Depression is a feeling when either you're heartbroken, or you think you wanted something and you couldn't achieve it, or things didn't work out like you wanted to, and you feel sad for a long duration of time, and you really, you find it difficult to cope with your problems, or you find difficult to go out and talk your heart out. So that's when you should call it depression. And more than just analyzing like that, you should always meet a counselor who can help you out. But your best counselors are your parents, are your friends who you can talk to, and who can help you get into the right direction. ऐसे friends नहीं कि जो साथ में रह के कुएं में धकेल दे, right? So meet the people who are going to help you in the right direction. So mood swings चलते रहते हैं. Even I get mood swings like 10 times a day. Every girl on this planet gets mood swings. So not every girl is in depression. How do I meditate? अच्छा, उसके ऊपर मैं डिटेल में वीडियो डालेगा, ठीक है? How does green tea help in losing weight? Well, green tea is no miracle. If you are following a healthy lifestyle, if you are sleeping enough, working out, managing your stress, and sleeping? So basically having a healthy lifestyle, and then if you have a cup of green tea, like 3 to 5 cups of green tea, yes, it helps, because it kills your hunger pangs, and yes, it helps. So basically, if you have 3 to 5 cups of green tea, it helps you burn about 80 calories. But when you are having 3 to 5 cups of green tea, don't have your regular tea or regular coffee, otherwise you will have caffeine overdose and you will feel depressed. Have you noticed that when you have too much of coffee, you feel depressed? It happens to me. I went for a movie and this great fellow made coffee for me, and it was so dark and burnt that the movie was a comedy movie, and I was the only person who was sad throughout the movie, like really sad, thanks to the coffee. पेट कभी कम कैसे करूँ, पेट की चर्बी कैसे कम करूँ? मैंने YouTube पे वीडियो डाला है, youtube.com/sapnavys, जहाँ पे मैंने डिटेल में बताया हाउ टू रिड्यूस बेली फैट. आप प्लीज़ एक बार देख लीजिए. उसके बाद अगर आपको कोई भी सवाल है पेट लॉस वेट लॉस के बारे में या पेट कैसे और कम किया जाए उसके बारे में, तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हैं. आप जॉब क्यों नहीं देते हो? आपका सवाल क्या है? If I worked out so many hours, that possible to reduce weight in short span of time. nothing happens in short span of time, because it's not really healthy to reduce weight in short span of time. You have to be healthy, you have to reduce in a healthy way, you have to be consistent, you have to give, like आपने जब weight बढ़ा है तो you did not really gain weight very fast, no, you properly आपने खाया, exercise नहीं किया, फिर धीरे धीरे आपका MRF का टायर बना, तो वैसे ही वेट लॉस का भी ऐसा ही है, धीरे धीरे कम करोगे तो ही अच्छा है, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट डार्क सर्कल्स, लूज स्किन, hair loss. It's not worth it. Relationship between hunger versus depression, best time what? For sleeping. Yeah, that's the good thing. Immediate workout after food, is it a problem? Okay, see, if you are having a pre-workout meal, that is a small meal, and if you wait for 30 minutes and if you work out, that's okay. But if you are having a large meal, which is any which way is not healthy, but if you are having a large meal, wait for at least 1 hour. How to grow body muscle fast? Now, ऐसे muscle Amazon से download नहीं हो सकते हैं, like you order and you get it. No, you have to go to the gym, lift heavy weight. Heavy is challenging yet comfortable for you. You have to be consistent. ऐसे weight muscles बढ़ जाते तो I'm doing cardio 4 days in a week plus weight training thrice. I am following diet and I'm losing weight too, but I still have belly fat. How to overcome it? Okay, if you're working out, if you're eating right, and if you still have belly fat, chances are that if you're taking a lot of stress, then also you will have belly fat, because when you take a lot of stress, when you are sad, when you're feeling low, that's when your body releases a hormone called cortisol, and cortisol is a fat generating hormone. It especially increases your belly fat. So if you think you're doing everything right and if you're still having belly fat, then chances are that you are suffering from a lot of stress. So manage your stress, and in a way it will help you get rid of your belly fat. Maintain a good posture, sleep well, along with eating right and exercising, and drink enough water. All these factors will help you get a flat belly. You are so charming. Thank you. Hey Sapna, what's your weight loss is really motivational. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much, Mr. Mayank Yadav. Amazon sale is going on, ma'am. Kindly consider. Can we donate blood by tattooing? I don't know. Somebody's asked me, can we donate blood after getting ourselves a body tattoo? Now, depression, body tattoo, and donation, blood donation, kahan se? But still I'll answer you, because as usual when हमारे देश की जनता को टिक्का टिप्पणी करने की आदत है. When I got a temporary tattoo, that too an airbrush tattoo, so many people commented that, oh God, now you cannot donate blood. Now it was a temporary tattoo, still they had to comment this. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं कर सकते. I have no idea whether you can donate blood or not after a tattoo, but how is that relevant to today's life? How shall I reduce lower body? Specific weight loss is not possible. Is protein shake supplement good for health? Now when you talk about protein shake, if you are meaning whey protein is healthy, it's okay. Should we be doing gym during periods? Initial first 2 days, if you are not okay, then just do walking. Once you feel better, when you feel stronger, then yes, you can start working out. But listen to your body. Initial first 2 days, 3 days, just walk. But do some form of exercise, because it will help you ease out the pain. So at least walk. If you can't do strength training, it's okay. Why weight increases after marriage? It's so sad. Now, number one, believe me, it's not the marriage that is causing you weight gain. It's the food that is causing you weight gain. Because hota kya hai usually that when you are going out to eat alone, you tend to eat a little less. But when your partner is with you, you hog with the other person. और अगर आपका partner foodie निकला तो भयो. So don't blame your wedding. It's you to be blamed. You. Difference between body stress and mental stress. Body stress and mental stress make difference. Mr. Thakur Kalantri, your questions are really, I feel like, But anyways, Body stress and mind stress. Mind stress का मतलब what you are giving me right now. Body stress is like when you overwork out. That's what is body stress. I've never heard that. How to reduce face fat? See, there is something called no spot fat reduction. So basically spot fat reduction is not possible. So if ऐसा होता तो see I have a laddu face. Can you see my laddu face? मेरा 100 ग्राम वजन बढ़ता है तो everything adds up here. So even I can't reduce face fat. Like you have to drop your overall body fat percentage. No chamatkar in this world can just reduce face fat. Otherwise मैंने अपना face कब का चीज़र कर लिया होता. ये क्वेश्चन अब खुद पढ़ती हूँ कि हाँ मैं खुद अपनी आंखों से पढ़ती हूँ पर ऐसे मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं करती हूँ. जो लोग पूछते हैं उसका आंसर देती हूँ. क्या यार. I want to become. I have night shift, morning sleep. Is it affect body weight? Yeah. If you don't sleep in the night, it will at some day affect your body weight. I just answered you, right? Is that cause of depression you gain weight? As I was very bad. Yeah, chances are that if you are feeling low, see your body releases a hormone called cortisol. So when you're under a lot of stress, your body releases a hormone that is cortisol, like I said, and it is a fat generating hormone, so it tends to make you fat, especially around your belly. So you have to see, exercising and eating right not just help you reduce weight, but it gets you more sorted, because whenever you might have noticed it yourself that whenever you're walking or swimming or doing some form of exercise, you are one with yourself and you tend to forget the rest of the world, and you are literally thinking nice things about the world, positive about the world. So it helps you get over depression when you are active, and it also makes you feel happier. So do that, it will help you. Does sleeping position affect weight gain? No. You can sleep like ulta. It's okay. May I know what? I don't know if you're aware of or not. Women with tend to increase weight even after working on diet. Any difference? Yes. You're right. I am starting gym first time to reduce my fat. What should I do for sweets craving? See, if you crave for sweets, you can have nuts instead, because nuts or fruits, okay, especially fruits, you can eat fruits when you crave for sweets, because fruits have fructose, which is sugar. So if you have fruits, you will not crave for sugar. So have fruits instead. Can cycling help you reduce belly fat? It will help you, because ultimately you are exercising, but you have to do strength training exercises as well. You're so cute. Thank you, Pooja. How to make perfect jawline? What exercise is required? See, you can't, if you have less fat, automatically you will get a beautiful jawline, because you don't have those double chin and all. But ultimately you have to exercise your whole body, and then it will help you out. I mean, you can't train your jaws like. I'm healing from mental stress, but how to make it more faster? Okay, you're dealing with mental stress, but how to get out of it more faster? See, you pick up a hobby which you like, because when we are going through some feelings, the best medication, the best thing to do is be engaged, be positively busy in something that we love, and that we can really, makes us one with ourselves, makes us forget the rest of the things. So find a hobby that makes you positively engaged in some activity. Find friends or family to talk your heart out. And third thing, always remember, this time too shall pass. Nothing is permanent. You will get over it, and you are not alone. all of us, including me, everybody in this world has fought with depression or sad feelings or feeling low or feeling alone or what not. But we always look for the better days, always think that okay, the days will definitely change. Walking or running, which is better? Now 1 hour of walking equals to 30 minutes of running, but in terms of burning calories, but it depends on what your body fat percentage is, because if you are not trained earlier or if you have high body fat percentage, then you should not be doing running or skipping or jogging, because it will cause you knee pain, back pain. If you have trained before, if you have more muscles in your body, if you are lean, then go for running. So it totally depends what your goal is, what your body fat percentage is. So pick walking or running depending on that. How to reduce knee pain by exercise? Okay, if you have knee pain, then you should go for swimming. It will help you. हिंदी, मैं हिंदी, ये हिंदुस्तान है, अमेरिका ने, ये कैसी इररिलेवेंट बातें चल रही है. मुझे पता है कि आप इंडिया में हो, आप हिंदी हो, पर ज़्यादातर लोग इंग्लिश में पूछते हैं तो मैं उसका जवाब इंग्लिश में देती हूँ. हिंदी वीडियोस अगर आपको देखने हैं तो आप जा सकते हैं youtube.com/sapnavyas. आपके लिए ही मैं हिंदी वीडियोस बनाती हूँ, तो आप देखिए, उसमें मैंने हिंदी में प्योर हिंदुस्तानियन, प्योर वेजिटेरियन टाइप्स, प्योर इंडियननेस दिखाई है हिंदी वीडियो डाल के, तो प्लीज़ आप देखिए. Yes, I felt back pain, so I stopped. Good. I started walking 30 minutes a day after 15 years. I'm having cramps on my upper thigh. Should I continue or rest? Okay. If you're having cramps after workout, chances are you're not having enough water throughout the day. Plus, you're not having enough water even when you're working out. So there are people who don't have water when they're walking, they don't have water when they're working out. It's very wrong. You must be sipping water when you're working out or when you're walking. Sipping, थोड़ा थोड़ा पीना चाहिए. तो chances are कि आप अगर पानी नहीं पीते हैं तो आपको cramps आ सकते हैं. So have enough water. Very nice. Okay, thank you. Go on in English. Okay, go on. Go on. Is it good to consume multivitamins for my whole family? No. If you're having a balanced diet, then you don't need all those pills, because you really don't know what's in those pills. And first of all, सब चीज़ का limit होता है, ठीक है? Like you can't have बहुत सारा B12 ले लिया, बहुत सारा विटामिन सी ले लिया, and you will become बहुत सारा अच्छा, ऐसा नहीं है. Anything overboard is not good for you, and all these vitamin pills are not really worth it. But if your doctor has advised you, go for it. But if you're having a balanced diet, eating veggies, fruits, if you're a non-vegetarian, eating a balanced diet, if you're a vegetarian, then finding a balanced diet but eating right, you don't need all these vitamins. I don't take vitamins, but yes, obviously, for example, if you are being advised or if you are low on certain vitamins, then you must. Then talk to your doctor and then take it for some time. But I mean, don't fall prey to this OTC as an over-the-counter thing. That मुझे आज सर दर्द कर रहा है, अरे भैया वो मेडिसिन दे दो. There's so many people I've seen that कुछ भी, they are self-medicating. Don't fall in trap for the self-medication thing. Not everyone understands what they do. I mean, what medicine you should be taking and how much you should be taking. So let the doctor do their job. Please let them do it. Hi. Now all the highs एक साथ आ गए. How to reduce BP by exercise? Okay, if you work out, if you walk, it will help you. What should I do for? There's few languages I don't understand at all, and I don't know what you're writing. Think good, think positive, all is well, all is well, all is well. बट एक्चुअली ऑल इज वेल करके एक्चुअली ऑल इज वेल नहीं होता है. ऑल इज वेल का सोल्यूशन निकालना पड़ता है. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज ऑल इज वेल. It's not a movie. If you just keep doing this all is well. It's not always well. You are a moron if you're doing that. You have to find out a solution. First of all, find out the problem, what is bothering you, then find out a solution, and then say all is well. Uske pehle all is well, then something's wrong with you. It is really good to gather information about good health. Thank you. What should we do? Just remain healthy, not for weight loss, but just proper diet plan. Okay, if you want to remain healthy as in fit, then avoid junk as much as possible. Eat regularly, like every 2 to 3 hours, chota meal, then exercise, sleep well. All these are basic things, but they will really help you. Thank you so much, Rishabh Chopra. How to lose weight without going to the gym? When you say without going to the gym, I eat words. When you say you want to lose weight without going to the gym, but there's no alternative to exercising. So either go to the gym, go to the swimming pool and swim, or do some form of exercise at home, but you must work out. Your voice is sweet. Thank you. 3-year-old बेबी को पेट दर्द की प्रॉब्लम है. प्लीज कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम दैट baby has, and more than that I'm not qualified like a doctor to tell you. I can't help you out in that way. है अच्छी बात करूँगा, कोई बुरी बात नहीं होगी. क्या? Feeling hungry all the time. Okay, if you're feeling hungry all the time, Meenakshi, chances are you are not having enough water, because when you don't take enough water, your body makes you feel hungry, because it's very difficult to differentiate between the thirst mechanism and the hunger mechanism. So have enough water, 1. 2, have enough protein, and eat every 2 to 3 hours. You will not feel very hungry all the time. So whenever you feel hungry, give your body the right nutrition, because it's a sign of youth that you feel hungry, so it's good. But it's also a sign that you are not nourishing your body. So if don't eat junk when you feel hungry, take that as an opportunity to eat right. Okay, I thought today's session was helpful to you guys, and जैसे आज मैंने मिस भारती चांचलानी का क्वेश्चन लिया और उस पर लाइव किया. अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन दैट यू थिंक आई कैन हेल्प यू विथ, आई विल ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू हेल्प यू आउट, रीच आउट टू यू. You can drop in the comment box below, and next time when I'm live, I'll take that topic and talk about it. I hope it helped. And if you want to know more about more questions and more answers that I have given about fitness, you can go to youtube.com/sapnavyas. That is youtube.com/sapnavyas, where I have answered more than 100 questions through my videos. They are in Hindi as well as English. Please go check it out, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Stay well.